Okay, time to take a look at the Siphon Pro Plumber's Siphon Pro 2. Got a couple of cool things in here. Now this is the main component. So a siphon is a very basic thing. It's a simple thing that's been around for a long time, and it's essentially just a hose. And the conventional way of doing that is just putting it in your mouth and then drawing the fluid that way. This is going to take the place of that and make your life a lot nicer, especially if you're dealing with hazardous chemicals. This is just a pump, very simple hand pump. Doesn't require any power, and you can definitely hear that is actually a pretty forceful pump. Now, one thing I like to see about this is that this is not actually a barbed end. So this is what a barbed end looks like. So essentially that's designed to hook onto a hose and then not let it go. This one is flat. So what that's going to allow us to do is to connect to our hose and then be able to easily pull it off. Now, if you're good, you can just get that stuck on there a little bit like that, give it a few pumps, and then before the fluid actually gets to it, pull that off and get that fluid going. That way you don't have to worry about even touching this thing and cleaning it up afterwards. And we can see that there are a couple of steps right here, so no matter what size hose we got, we can still make that work, even if we're putting it on right here at the end. We also have another nozzle on the other end, so if you want to, we can hook a hose up to that, so we can just use this as a midpoint to get that fluid going. So this barbed end is going to serve a couple of purposes. The first purpose is just going to be a weight, so we can get that thing to drop into the bottom of the tank. But we can also just use this as a coupler, so we can extend the length of this hose. This is a very cool idea. So all this is going to do is we can run our hose through it, just like this. So how do you stop a siphon? Just clamp that down like that. So very cool idea. What that's going to allow us to do is we can actually keep the fluid in there, so whenever we want to, we don't actually have to use that pump to get it going again. We just pop that off and get that fluid going again, lock it down, keep the fluid contained in the hose. So very cool idea. I really like this. And then the last thing is this little attachment right here. So this is going to allow us to clamp onto whatever kind of bucket or container that we're transferring fluids to. So we can either clamp on here, clamp on there, or we can clamp onto a container right there. These hose grips will fold over, and they just pop onto the hose. And that will help to keep the end of the hose in the container so it's not flopping around. So I'm just going to drop this end into the fluid, and we'll get that siphon started. There we go. It's already going. So all we got to do now is take this, put it on the floor. So super easy way to siphon fluids. And this is just going to keep on going until it's empty. If we ever want it to stop, we just pull it out and the siphon stops. So yeah, this is a very easy siphoning system. I am very happy with that.